Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check recent and follow us on Instagram. And all you have to do is to launch our Instagram applications. Then you're going to tap on our profile. I'm sorry to inform you for this bad news, but there is no way that we can actually see the people who unfollowed us. But there is a workaround, which is by tapping on the clearance. And then we're going to tap on account center. Then we're going to tap on your information and permission, and then we're going to tap on download information. You can see I had already downloaded one connection. Now I'm going to tap on download. And then once you tap on download, you're going to see it here at your files. So for mine, I'm going to just head on over to Phoenix, and then I'm going to see an unzipped file. And once I see it, I'm going to tap on it and unzip it, and I'm going to see some of my information. From there, I'm going to head on over to my web browser, just tap here at the search, and then I am going to search for compare to list. Once I have already seen both of my following and followers on the files, then I'm going to tap on this one website, and from there I am going to choose a file with the following and another one with the unfollowing. And from there, in the case that you're going to see any missing person, just know that that person is a person that had already unfollowed you on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.